If you want to uninstall an app on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer, and then in here you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to remove from your phone, and then in here we have the uninstall option, so we can just confirm by pressing uninstall button, and then the app is gone from your phone. You can also do the same thing from the home screen. If you press and hold your finger, then you should be able to find the uninstall option as well. In some cases, the option might be hidden under more features or something like that. I'm not sure if I'm gonna find it exactly over here, but generally speaking, if you see more features or something like that, then you might need to tap on this option to find the uninstall option. And besides that, what we can also do is actually, this is not what I wanted to do. If we go to the app drawer, we can also tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and tap on select, and you can actually select all apps that you want to uninstall. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and as you can see, we do have the uninstall button, so then we can uninstall a couple of apps at once. And last but not least, if we go to settings and then choose apps over here, we can go to app management. And of course, over here you can also find all your apps that you have installed. You can select any of these apps that you want to uninstall and find the button in here in this place. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.